job. We're on private property for now. Way out here in the middle of nowhere, which is pretty freaking cool. And so yeah, why not film the ride home? The journey continues. The work is done, and little birdie just crossed the road. Alright, just a quick tire check because that was the worst dirt road. Let's get out of here. It's beer time. Actually, it's ride time. I think we got about I think we got 15 miles back. This bridge. This waterway is very strange. In fact, let's see if I could turn my body and show you. Can you see that? It's weird. It's heading north. The other rivers head south. Anyway, yeah, let's ride on. But you know, that household that I did some work for, they said, you know, you really got to be careful of all the wild animals on the street up there, but you're better off once you get into town. And I thought that was interesting. Of course, I haven't seen anything fun cross the road yet, except for, you know, just little things. Anyway, let's rock. Too, because they've all got like 20 acres up there, and the neighbor has all kinds of signs up, you know, that literally say, we'll shoot you, we'll kill you, no potheads, no druggies, no dope heads, no, you know, name the list. I mean, they were very specific and had these homemade signs, and it's just funny, and pictures of guns everywhere. It must be paranoid or something. I mean, everybody out here owns guns, but damn, you don't need that many signs. Corvallis, Montana, which you've all seen many times, so I'm gonna pretty much call the video here, keep it a quickie, call it a quickie. A quickie journey, a quickie part of the journey, because the journey never ends. So keep driving and riding and having fun every day and living your life, and we'll see you in the next one. Rock and roll time.